the straight blast. For this, I am going to ask the help of my friend Sukalyan Chaudhary. Let's start. Yes, for the straight blast, we have to first concentrate on your punches. The movement of the punches will be like a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to do it with force. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You cannot pull yourself back so that the punches don't hit you, or you cannot pull too forward. You have to maintain a particular distance. 2 back is back, 2 forward is back. Stay in middle. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to move forward, sit like this. Don't worry, I'll not hit you. Okay? 1, 2. Try to move backward. Okay? First I will start punching you. You will move back, and I will follow you. Just check the follow. 1, 2. Move back. Okay? When I will start punching, like you will move back. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You follow through. It will go forward. While using straight blast, if someone attacks you and counters, you cannot risk to move back. It will be a very bad time. See, like you do straight blast, I will block. You will try to continue straight blast by moving backwards. Okay? I will show you what can happen. You can move. See, if you move backward, you can keep a gap here. While moving forward, you can busy your opponent busy. But when you move backward, in defensive position, you will get your opponent will stand. And then don't stop breathing. You need to continue your breathing, or else it may result in cramps. 1, 2, 3. You can combine it with different attacks like 1, 2, 3, 4, elbow, 5, 8, or 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if you want, or you can also combine it with kicks like see, move a bit backward. 1, 1, 2, 3, straight kick. Or even you can go front and kick. I will not do it. Don't worry. See, 1, 2, 3, knee attack, knee. Or I can do this 1, 2, 3, laps out, hit. Will be dangerous quite. Try to combine it with kick. You don't have to pull that much. You have to stay in balance. The first mistake you are doing, that is you are pulling. Lot of people do that mistake. Try not to pull. Okay? Not slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot just pull yourself to punch. Good. You can continue. Never try to bend your arm. It will much, then it will convert to a boxing jab. Okay? Like this. Yes. Try. Well. Good. Well done.
Thank you. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.